Hello, so this question is consecutive characters. So basically you given a string S and then you want to return a maximum length of the non-empty substring that contains only one unique character. So again, let's just dive into the example and then we can start coding. So this is going to be what? Double E. Double E represent what? The length of 2 that has the maximum length. Right, and then this one is going to be represent what? This phi E, and then this is 4D, and then this is what? 3C, and then so on, right? So you want to find out the maximum. So how do you find the maximum? You're going to have a 2-pointer, right? Definitely you have 2-pointer. The first pointer represent what? A start index. Next pointer is going to be represent the index end. So I can say I or j, right? I or j. So I want to make sure between these two index they are the same. So we can just do one example at the same time. So I starting from here, right? And then j will also starting from here. So in this traversal, I'm moving my j only if what? The character ai is only equal to character j, right? I'm going to increment my j, right? I will increment my j only if ci equal to cj. And then in this solution, they are not the same, right? When I, how do I say this? When I increment my j, they are not the same. So they will have to what? They will have to move at the same time together, I and j. So the current maximum is what? Is 1 only, right? And then if they are in the same index, right here E, and then I know my next character is E, and they are the same, I'm going to increment my J, right? So this is my J, and I will have to increment again because at the current spot they are the same, even though the next character is not the same. So I need to increment my J, and I found out they are not the same. I'm going to calculate the distance between I and J, and then I'm going to find out the result, and I'm going to compare with the current maximum, which is the current maximum is 1, right? I'm going to compare with this and then find out, oh, this is, 1 is too small. I'm going to reassign my maximum, so it's going to be 2, and then you return 2 at the end. So yeah, all right. So here's it. So in I equal to 0, j equal to 0, and also the result equal to 0. And then while j is less than s star length, and also while j is less than s star length, and also s star chart at I is equal to s star chart at j. If they are the same, j increment. If not, then basically they break out, and then you need to find out the distance. The distance will be maximum between what? J minus I, right? You don't need to plus 1 or anything because at the current spot they are, j minus I is okay because let me just one more quick example. So you only traverse when they I equal to j, right? So this is I definitely, and your j is not here. Your j is t. Your j is t. So what is it? 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Your length is 2 for double E. Alright, once you have it, you want to reassign your I to J. Because your J is currently at T, you reassign your I to T and you traverse the same pattern. And then you want to just return result. Submit. Alright, so space is going to be constant. Time is going to be what? In this case, we increment our J and then also our outer value is also J, so it's going to be all of n for the worst case, right? Your inner is all of your inner is actually traversing based on the J. Your outer loop is also traversing based on J. So technically you are just moving your J index, right? So it's going to be all of n for the time. All right, see you later, bye.